These weight loss snacks will keep the pounds off. Number 1. Blueberry bars. Number 2. Baked buffalo cauliflower. Number 3. Flourless chocolate muffins. Number 4. Parmesan puffs. Number 5. Protein oatmeal cups. Number 6. Roasted green bean fries. Number 7. Frozen yogurt-covered blueberries. Number 8. Salt and vinegar zucchini chips. Number 9. Creamy buffalo hummus. Number 10. Butternut-squash-fries. Number 11. Spicy-tuna-bites. Number 12. Cucumbers and cheese. Number 13. Quinoa buffalo bites. Number 14. Peanut butter banana toast. Number 15. Indulgent strawberries. Number 16. Low-fat chocolate chip peanut butter dip. Number 17. 2-ingredient skinny veggie dip. Number 18. Stuffed tomatoes. Number 19. Avocado tuna. Number 20. Cocoa cinnamon sugar roasted chickpeas. Number 21. Chocolate raspberry protein balls.